RF microneedling machine installation and operation guidance. Firstly, to show you all the spare parts equipped. Step 1. Install all the 2 handles supporters. Step 2. Connect the handles. Make sure install them properly and tightly. Step 3. Install the foot pedal, the trigger, and then step 4. Connect the power plug. Turn on the machine and get into the software. This is a large 40-pin needles for body treatment. This one's 24 pins, middle size for face, and 12 pins smaller for smaller areas. Nano needles to introduce and tightening. Choose needle size according to the body parts or size of the treatment area. And connect it, align it in a straight line, push and press to insert it. Press the buckle to fasten and fix it. Same as the other hand. This is a face mode and this is for body mode. You can choose different working mode and choose corresponding icon according to the installed needles. All set, then get into the working interface. There will show E2 alarming. That means you need to swipe the card before you do the treatment. Put the card on the host and sense it. The card will be swiped successfully. Every time you turn on the machine, you need to swipe it. No limit time for it. The first line is working time and the second one is energy. Energy is 0 to 200 watts. You can adjust it properly, not too much according to the client treatment. And then it's the depth. Range is 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters. For face, we suggest 1 to 2 millimeters. And neck, we usually suggest 0.8 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters. Then it's the pulse, the working mode, single or double mode. Single mode is one press to the foot bottle. There are only one shot. Double mode is when you press the foot bottle, it will emit 2 shots, 2 times of the needles. This shows records, hunks, and new size. This one is for the card remains time, swipes, how many swipes it remains, and the first one is pause or start, then the version code and the in the right bottom corner there are M1 to M5. You can save the regular parameters when you use for treatment to save it as the clinical parameters for regular use in your daily treatment. Then let's go back to see the body treatment mode. Choose the needles. The interface are similar. Working time, energy, depth, pulse, burst or single or double. Energy means body parts, so we usually suggest 80 to 200 watts for 40 pins. For curved and shallows of body, usually suggest 60 to 100 watts for 12 pins. Depth, body suggests 2 to 6 millimeters for 40 pins, and curved and shallow of body 1 to 2.5 millimeters for 12 pins. Here's the working mode. This one is burst working mode, and you can switch to fixed point mode. Fixed means only one depth, and burst mode means it will emit 3 depths by 7 to 5 to 3, the burst working mode. And this one is single and double pulse mode. Now let's see the operating demo video. When you press the foot pedal, the needles are emitted out. You can see this is the burst mode. 3 different depths, 7 to 5 to 3. When starting treatment, the handle should be 90 degrees perpendicular to the treatment site. The probe cannot be tilted or suspended from the skin. Pressure must be applied and it must be pressed tightly against the skin before stepping on the foot switch. You need to tightly put 90 degrees direct to the skin and press, then start working. Now let's do the treatment for our model. Please wipe and disinfect skin before treatment. You can determine whether to apply an anesthetic based on the individual skin tolerance. If you apply anesthesia, apply it 30 to 45 minutes in advance, then clean and disinfect before proceeding the treatment. You can also apply some repair products before the operation to serve as a drug introduction when during the treatment. When you start, the handle should be 90 degrees perpendicular to the treatment site. The probe cannot be tilted or suspended over the skin. Pressure must be applied. It must be pressed firmly against the skin when you do the treatment. And operate it like a stepping manner. Each close distance can cover 30 to 50% to each step. One session is usually 1 to 2 oral passes for the whole treatment area, like this. Ask how the client feels. Adjust appropriate energy according to the client feedback during treatment. Please keep asking how the client feels. Operating in a stepping manner, each close distance can cover 30 to 50%. And one pass, then another pass, totally 1 to 2 passes according to the severeness of the skin problems. You can also apply some repair products after the treatment too. Okay, that's how to do the treatment for facial, same as neck or eyes round. Then let's see the demonstration on the body treatment. Clean and disinfect the treatment area, same as facial. Also decide to apply anesthetic according to the client pain tolerance. Also, you can apply some repair products before the treatment for introduction. And according to the parameter table, to choose the parameters, then get the treatment start. When doing the treatment, make sure the handles are 90 degrees perpendicular to the treatment site. The probe cannot be tilted or suspended over the skin. Make the pressure to apply and press firmly against the skin before the foot pedal to start. Then you can operate in a stepping manner, and each area can be covered 30 to 50% for each stepping treatment, and totally do 1 to 2 passes for the whole overall treatment area. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, you can contact us or leave messages. After the treatment, you can also apply some repair products to help it recover very soon.